Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. Yeah, Bitcoin is currently just doing what we wanted it to do. We had enough waves to the downside complete to expect this wave 4 pullback. That's probably happening at the moment, even though I like to make a change to the chart. I actually assume we are already in the wave 2. As I highlighted before, that it's possible that after the next low, we might already start the wave 2. I would just like to make that the primary scenario. I will change it on the chart. For me, looking at the chart, comparing it to other crypto charts, comparing it to the ETH chart, which looks a little clearer, I assume that we are already in wave 2 to the upside. So that we've got 5 waves down here complete. Yeah, that completed circle wave 1, and we're now in the wave 2 pullback. So just checking here, I will also take out this resistance level. We'll take out this one, don't need it anymore. The ones that are relevant now are 27,184. Ideally, Bitcoin's price stays below that level now and would follow through to the downside in a third wave breakdown next. But first of all, probably over the coming days, it will recover in this circle wave 2. And well, to do that, first of all, it needs to break above the neckline again of this head and shoulders pattern. I mean, maybe it's just doing a retest and I shouldn't have taken the wave 4 off the chart, but either way, to keep it very simple, the focus of the chart, or the price focus can be on the downside against 27,180. Above that level, we still have resistance at 27,480, but already above this 78.6 retracement level here, I will start to assume that maybe the white wave count is playing out, and above 27,480, the white wave count is clearly in control. That's the bullish scenario. In this scenario, we had a wave 1 to the upside, an A wave down, an overshooting B wave, C wave down. Then we have a 1-2 setup, and we could go up from here in a third wave, then a fourth wave and a fifth wave. But I need all 5 waves and the subsequent 3-wave pullback to confirm that a lasting low has happened here, and then we can really start to look at higher over the coming months. Until then, this is certainly not bullish what's playing out here. Yes, it is a sideways range, but we had 5 waves down here, rather 3 waves up here, 5 waves down here. So it rather would emphasize the idea that we are actually focusing on the downside, that we should be focusing on the downside, and that the trend is actually down. Next target for the bears will be to break below 25,770, which is this support level here. But over the coming days, I expect a bit of a recovery rally, as it seems here in this wave 2. This would play out as an ABC structure. We should be able to recognize that more clearly probably over the coming sessions. At the moment, this is not enough really to indicate what this is. And if we have an A wave and a B wave, then we can calculate more precisely a target for a C wave. Yeah, and this is the most likely scenario for me. Again, other scenarios possible, like the white wave count, but again, that's nothing I'm going to focus on until we have evidence on the chart. Something that's of course possible is the evolution or development of this Elliott Wave triangle. It could be a B wave triangle, that the B wave in fact didn't finish here, but it's a triangle in an A, B, C, D, E pattern. But also in this scenario, we shouldn't really get above 27,480, okay? So it's not really anything that would be different to what we're observing anyway in the yellow wave count. It might stretch out a little bit longer, yeah. But again, it would just simply delay the sell-off most likely. The only way for me to focus more on the white wave count is a break above 27,480. That's my signal level. And until then, the short-term trend is up. Micro resistance is here, obviously, as I said, the neckline of this head and shoulders at 23,360. And let's see if we can get a little higher overnight. Bear in mind, on Thursday, we've got GDP data coming out, a final GDP, and Jerome Powell has a speech. And on Friday, we've got inflation data, core PCE. that could also generate some more volatility. That's my update about Bitcoin. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.